Welcome to watch the Web Login OLT configuration demonstration video. There are 3 ways to manage OLT. This video will introduce the Web Login method. Step 1. Log into the OLT web page. OLT nameplate information and record the management IP, username and password. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the PC network port to the NMS port of the OLT. The default management IP address of the OLT is 192.168.0.254. First, configure the computer network card IP address 192.168.0.42. Then open the browser and enter 192.168.0.254, login account password admin/admin. Step 2. Easy configuration. Set the management VLAN and management IP address. Configure the VLAN mode and VLAN ID of the GE3 port. Configure the DBA template and service template of the ONT. Default template. No additional configuration is required. Click Next. Confirm that the configuration is correct and click Finish. Step 3. Remotely configure the PPPoE1 of the ONT through the OLT. Take the connection to Tenda HG9 as an example. Click ONT Management. Click the Query button. Click the Configure button. Click the WAN configuration page. Click the Add button. Select Route for connection mode. Select Internet for connection type. Turn on VLAN Enable. Enter VLAN ID. Select PPPoE for DSP mode. Enter account and password. Find LAN and WLAN ports. Click the Save button to prevent the configuration from being lost. This video demonstration ends. Thank you for watching.